Monosomy. Monosomy is the type of polysomy in which we see that there is loss of a single chromosome. If there is a loss of a single chromosome, then the individuals would be lethal. So those individuals in which there is a loss of a single chromosome, they will die. The example of the monosomy in case of humans is Turner syndrome, in which we see that there is a loss of one X chromosome. Causes of monosomy. Causes of the monosomy are non-disjunction during meiosis 1 as well as during meiosis 2. During meiosis 1, both the homologous they go into one cell, while in case of meiosis 2, same is that the sister chromatids they fail to separate from each other. These are the fruit fly has 8 chromosomes and each set consists of 2 chromosomes. Here we can see that 2 chromosomes, 2, 2 and 2. So they are in the form of homologous chromosome. But if there is one of the chromosome is lost, then that phenomena is called as monosomy. So here we can see that in case of chromosome 1, there is a single chromosome. So monosomy is represented 2n minus 1. The meaning of this is that one chromosome has been lost. Monosomy also occurs as a result of non-disjunction during meiosis. It can be produced as a result of first division non-disjunction that we can see here, and as a result these are the cells which are monosomic, and it can also appear as a result of second division. So if there is non-disjunction during the second division of meiosis, some of the cells they will also be monosomic. These are the chromatogram which represent that there is monosomy. If we see that all the chromosomes they are in homologous form except chromosome 7. In case of chromosome 7, there is a single chromosome. So due to loss of one chromosome, the phenomena is called as monosomy. This is the monosomy of chromosome 22. All the chromosomes they are in homologous form except chromosome 22. In case of chromosome 22, there is a single chromosome and the second chromosome is lost. Diseases which are caused due to monosomy. In case of humans, Turner syndrome is caused due to the monosomy, as well as Cry-du-Chat syndrome is the example of the diseases of monosomy in case of humans.